Hey everyone. Well, I got a little bit more done today. Mostly trying to figure out how this all goes together. The trim tab back here in the back, the book left some minor details out as far as hooking it up and what hardware to use. But trim tab is there right now, just held in with Cleco clips, but that's good enough. It all has to come off for covering. The other thing I've got is I've got the fuel pumps and filters just kind of mocked up right now. Still trying to figure out how that's going to get mounted in there and how I want to run the fuel lines from the header tank, which is being powder coated right now. And hopefully I'll get that stuff back tomorrow or day after. The rear elevator trim is ready to go. I've just got it Clecoed in place right now until we get it, or I figure out what I'm going to do for fabric and get it covered with fabric. Then the hinge can go in permanently after that is done. The cable that operates that is, you can see the loop is really long right now. I'm going to leave it that way until final installation on it. Right now I've just got it zip tied up underneath. And then the control itself is this. I messed with this most of the day today, trying to get this to work freely. Didn't get hung up. It doesn't take a whole lot of movement to move it forward, backward, to trim it out. A little concerned, I've got too close to the flap handle right now. I may end up putting a small bend in it to get it over, but I've got to beware of the seat coming forward too and rubbing up against it. So haven't figured that out yet completely, but it works, and I think it'll be okay. Working on now, next is going to come the fuel pumps and placement for the fuel pumps. They'll fit underneath here, but I have to be careful, as my wife pointed out today, with this bracket here interfering with the fuel pumps. But she came up with an idea that I think I'm going to run with, and I was originally going to space them up closely. She suggested just spacing them out further, as long as they fit in that space, and that bottom bracket on the seat can slide up in between without ever touching either one of these. So I think I'm going to go with that idea. I'm still waiting for some fittings yet. And the tubing is on its way, should be here in the next couple of days, possibly early next week if things don't go as well as I had hoped. So I'll be able to start working on that. And that's about all I got right now. Was able to do a little bit of powder coating today and shop cleanup. It definitely needed it. I had shavings everywhere. And I don't like a dirty floor. If I drop things, I can't find them. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.